Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I cook my rice dressing, aka dirty rice, smothered cabbage, and baked chicken. It's an easy southern meal that my family and I have always enjoyed. So if you want to see how I make this, then just keep on watching. Alright, so starting out, we're going to be using these chicken drumsticks. As you can see, it comes with a lot of them in the pack, which is good, but I'm not cooking for that many people, so I'm going to be using maybe about 8 or 9 of these, and I'm going to Ziploc bag what's left. Alright, so I already have my chicken all washed and clean. Now it is just time to season. Alright guys, so I'm going to be setting my oven at 350 and I'm going to be baking this chicken for about 35 minutes. Okay, so I will be baking this chicken uncovered. So after about 15 minutes of baking, I'm going to flip the chicken over and just allow it to finish baking for another 20 minutes. And this is important because you want to have that bronze golden look to the chicken on both sides of the chicken. Alright guys, so it's been about 25 minutes. Now it's time to add in the seasonings. Alright, so for my rice dressing, aka dirty rice, I'm going to be using this Savoie's dressing mix. I find this at my local grocery store. If you can't find this or you don't have this, I will leave a link down below of where you can get it. Alright guys, everything is all done. This is how the rice dressing came out. And this is how the baked chicken is looking. And this is the cabbage. Yes, it's time to put this on a plate and it's time to eat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I upload new videos every Thursdays and Sundays, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.